Hi everyone, here we've got DOOGEE S88 Pro, and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So firstly, let's find the camera app, and right now, after making sure that you're on the photo mode, we can enter the settings which are in the right upper corner. And here we've got the countdown option, so let's tap on it, and here we've got actually 4 different options to choose from. Right now we've got off option, so it is turned off, and we can know it because this option is highlighted, but we can also set 2, 5 or 10 seconds delay. So I will pick 10 seconds delay. Just tap on the option like to use, go back and tap on the shutter button, and as you can see right here, we've got the countdown, so your device will count down from 10, and after that time it will take a photo. Okay, let's check another option. Let's pick, for example, 5 seconds, and the same situation, but right now it is counting down from 5. So obviously, in order to turn off the countdown, we have to tap on this option, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So actually that's all. This is how to set camera timer in your DOOGEE S88 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.